Hi guys, this is Pranay from Technomaster. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to control our smartphone volume without using volume buttons. So let's get started. So first of all you will need to go to your Play Store and search the app called Volume Slider. Rating of the app is 4.4, downloads is 10,000. This app is free on Play Store. After installing this application, go back and open the application and switch on the volume slider, and by default it was set on media. So after doing all these things, simply go back and slide up and down on the right side edge. As you can see, this app is working very good. You can also control the brightness. Simply set on brightness, and as you can see, this app is working very good. And there are plenty of options are available. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this.